Hi everyone, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion. Welcome to my channel. In this video you will see how to crochet simple headband. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin my headband from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 18. You can crochet any amount of chains, multiples of 2. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. My foundation chain is ready. Continue. Then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop. So make single crochet on 2 chains. 1, 2, and make single crochet. Here what I have. Continue. Yarn over the hook. This is my foundation chain. Insert the hook into this loop. This is the loops that are behind the foundation chain. Make double crochet like this. Continue. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Make 2 chains. 1, 2, and pull through. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. This is the loop. Make double crochet. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch. Make 2 chains. 1, 2, and make single crochet. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the loop. Make double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row with me. Let's complete this row with me. Here what I have at this point. To finish this row, I have 2 chains, and now yarn over the hook, skip the next one, insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch, make double crochet. My row 1 is ready. Pattern consists of 2 stitches, and pattern has 1 row. It was preparation row. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn and turn the work. Continue. I skip the 1st stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Firstly, I am working with 1st loop, the front loop, then I am going to work with back loop. Insert the hook into the front loop, make 2 chains, 1, 2, and single crochet. Yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the back loop, as I did before. continue. I skip the next stitch, work with the second stitch, make 2 chains with single crochet. I insert the hook into the front loop, 1, 2, and single crochet, yarn over the hook, and double crochet into the back loop. Skip the next one, make chains 1, 2, and single crochet, and double crochet into the back loop. Let's repeat one more time. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second one. I work with front loops, 1, 2, and single crochet, and double crochet into the back loop. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. To finish this row, I skip the next stitch, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch that is after my stitch. Make double crochet. My row is ready. Pattern consists of one row. I will repeat it one more time and you should continue working with your own. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, turn the work. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second one, work with front loop, make 1, 2, single crochet, then double crochet into the back loop. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop, 1, 2, and single crochet, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet. Here how it looks at this point. Let's repeat one more time. I skip the next one, insert the hook into the second stitch, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the back loop. Let's repeat. I skip the next one, make 1, 2, and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. Then I will show you how to complete it. Here what I have at this point, and let's complete this row with me. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the third chain stitch, make double crochet. Pattern consists of one row and has 2 stitches. I will start and you should continue working with your own. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, turn the work. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop, make 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the back loop. I skip the next one, insert the hook into the front loop, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the back loop. So keep working in this way till the end of this row, as many times as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to join 2 sides together to create headband. Before continue, let's stop at this point and let's look. So my swatch is ready. I just need to join two sides together to create headband. This is double-sided pattern. You can use both sides or just choose one of them to use like a front. You can use this pattern to create scarf, snoot, or brim part of the head. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, and additional links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. This is another side. It is very elastic and simple. Now I measure it. It is 11 centimeters. In your case it could be more or less, it depends on your size of the head. And now I show you how to join two sides together. Now I show you how to join step by step. For the joining I am using crochet hook. In your case it could be sewing needle and just yarn. I put two sides together. The beginning of the work is closer to me. Let's start. Make a chain. For the joining I am using slip stitches to connect two sides together. Or you can sew two pieces. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Then insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Then insert the hook into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch. I do not pull it. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Then insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you the ready project. My joining is ready. Here how it looks when I'm done. And this is the back side. I cut off my yarn and I removed the yarn along the stitches using sewing needle or crochet hook. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. It is very simple and easy to make. I remind you my pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 1 row. It could be perfect for beginners. You don't need special skills, you just need to know how to crochet different tall stitches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and bye!